Hi everyone. My concrete, all-natural looking stone patio, which I created 7 years ago, continues to improve as time goes by. Throughout the years, I've enhanced its appearance by adding various shades of mulch and crushed stone, but would always return to maintain its natural look. I'd love to share with you the videos where I demonstrate how I use the flexible concrete shaping form to give my stones a natural appearance and shape them to fit around corners. This weekend project is fantastic and quite simple to complete, with the exception of handling the 60-pound bags of concrete. Allow me to guide you through my own experience and show you how I tackled it. In the first frame, I'm adjusting the form to a desired shape, while in the second frame, I'm securing the shape using anchor pins. In frame 3, I blended a 60-pound bag of concrete in a tub until it reached a desired texture resembling peanut butter. Now I'm incorporating it into the form. In the fourth frame, I'm adjusting the form to navigate the corner, utilizing anchor pins to secure the shape, and leveling the concrete to align with the heights of the surrounding stones. By tapping the concrete surface, I'm settling the coarse aggregates and allowing the moisture to rise, resulting in a smoother finish. Failure to do so will result in a rough and uneven surface. After achieving a damp surface, the process of applying a surface color to the concrete can begin by mixing into the top half-inch layer. There is no requirement to color the entire stone unless you intend on breaking it in half. By focusing on the surface only, you can also save money by purchasing less coloring. Now I'm all set to remove the form. I'll start by taking out the anchor pins and giving the form a little jiggle and a shake to free it from the concrete. You'll see by doing this, the form lifts away freely. It's important to address the necessary repairs now before the concrete sets, as you won't be able to make these changes later. I'm enhancing certain areas with color and adding extra color to mimic the look of real stones. That's pretty much all I did to create each individual concrete stone. Each stone has its own unique characteristics, but when put together, they create a cohesive and uniform appearance for a genuine stone patio. These are like the best forms ever. I mean, I've had these for over 8 years, and they still look brand new. I've done everything with them. I've worked in the Florida hot sun, and when I'm done with them, I just clean them off, and they still look brand new. Here's one that I didn't do. I got a little lazy doing a project, and I just kind of like didn't do anything. But you can see it's dirty, but with a little bit of water, you can see I can still clean it up. Doesn't take anything to clean it back up again. But these things, they don't crack. They're not brittle. You get a good, I mean, look at the corners on those things. Real sharp corners. No one else could do that. Anything else you see out there is just is an imitation. A copycat. That's all it is. These are the original. They've been around for a long time. I've had these for over 8 years, and they still look brand new. Done a lot of work with these. You'll love them. Buy them.